Hey, have you guys noticed how much I've been reading lately? I've really gotten into the habit, and it's been such a game changer for me.
Oh, really? I've been meaning to get back into reading, but I just can't seem to find the time. How do you manage to read so much?
Well, I used to think the same way, but then I realized it's all about priorities. Instead of spending hours on social media or watching TV, I started dedicating that time to reading. It's become a routine for me now.
I get that, but I'm always so tired after work, and I just want to relax. Reading feels like a chore sometimes.
I totally understand where you're coming from. At first, it was a bit challenging for me too. But I found that picking books that genuinely interest me makes a huge difference. It doesn't feel like a chore when you're engrossed in a story or learning something new.
That makes sense. I guess I need to find books that really grab my attention. Any recommendations?
Absolutely. What are you into? Fiction, non-fiction, mystery, self-help?
I used to love fiction, especially fantasy novels. But lately, I've been thinking about trying something different, maybe non-fiction.
Non-fiction is great. There are so many interesting topics out there. You can learn about history, science, personal development. The options are endless. It's like exploring a whole new world without leaving your chair.
Yeah, you're right. I think I'll give it a shot. Any particular book you'd recommend for a non-fiction newbie?
How about Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari? It's a fascinating journey through the history of humankind. The way Harari presents information is so engaging. You won't be able to put it down.
That sounds interesting. I'll check it out. Maybe this will kickstart my reading habit again.
Awesome. And hey, we can even start a little book club between us. It'll be a fun way to stay motivated and discuss what we're reading.
That's a great idea. Reading together might make it more enjoyable. Let's do it.